Welcome to DollarNet Education. I'm Venky Uncle from Ramamurthy Nagar, Bangalore. Today we'll explore embedded C data types and the numbering system. Unsigned numbers are always positive. With 8 bits, the range is from 0 to 255, or in hex, 0x00 to 0xFF. A nibble is 4 bits, and a byte is 8 bits. 2 nibbles together make 1 byte. For simplicity, let us first explain using a nibble. An unsigned nibble ranges from 0 to 15. In a signed nibble, the leftmost bit is the sign bit. If we convert directly, it results in 2 zeros, plus 0 and minus 0. To avoid this, we use 2's complement. With 2's complement, the signed nibble ranges from 8 to plus 7. For example, binary 0111 represents plus 7. And 1000 represents 8. This way, there is only one 0, and no duplication. Unsigned char ranges from 0x00 to 0xFF, that is, 0 to 255. If you add 1 to 255, it rolls over back to 0. Signed char ranges from plus 127 down to minus 128. In 2's complement, adding 1 to 127 rolls over 2 minus 128. Further additions move downward toward minus 1, and finally wrap back to 0. This wrapping effect is called scrolling. In decimal, 9 plus 1 equals 10. In hexadecimal, F plus 1 also equals 10. Borrowing works the same. In decimal we borrow 10, in hex we borrow 16. Example, 3f plus b2 gives f1 and 3 a minus 2f gives 0b. Unsigned int is to bytes, ranging from 0 to 0xFFFF, which is up to about 64k. Signed int is also to bytes. On the positive side it goes from 0 to 0x7FFF, and on the negative side from 0 times 8000 to 0xFFFF, about plus or minus 32k. Unsigned long is 4 bytes, giving a range of about 64k times 64k. Signed long is also 4 bytes, but only about plus or minus half that range, roughly plus or minus 32 times 64k. Float is 4 bytes, 1 sign bit, 8 exponent bits, and 23 mantissa bits. Exponent shifts the decimal point, mantissa gives significant number accuracy. Double is 8 bytes, giving bigger range and precision. Example, 248.75 is stored as C378C000 in hex. Unsigned char is 1 byte, with values up to 255. Signed char is also 1 byte, from plus 127 down to minus 128. Unsigned int is to bytes, about 64k. Signed int is to bytes, about plus or minus 32k. Unsigned long is 4 bytes, around 64k times 64k. Signed long is 4 bytes, about plus or minus 32k times 64k. Float is 4 bytes. The exponent shifts the decimal point, and the mantissa gives accuracy. Double is 8 bytes, a larger float with more precision. This is the basic data types in embedded C. I am Venky Uncle from DollarNet Education, Bangalore. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next session.